What exactly is that magical spark in romantic relationships? The spark is an exchange of energy and intuition between two people. It creates that unmistakable feeling when you meet someone special. The spark is fueled by brain chemistry. High levels of dopamine, oxytocin, and other neurotransmitters create intense feelings of euphoria and attraction. This is similar to the brain's reward system. Novel experiences like meeting someone new trigger a flood of these chemicals. How does the spark actually feel? People describe euphoria, butterflies in the stomach, obsessive thinking about their partner, heightened energy, and a tendency to idealize the other person. It's crucial to understand that the initial spark naturally fades as relationships progress. This happens as dopamine levels normalize and is a normal part of relationship progression, not a sign that something is wrong. As the relationship deepens, the initial spark transforms into a more enduring connection built on deeper understanding, trust, and commitment. This is the natural evolution towards mature love. One important caution: be careful not to confuse the spark with a gut feeling about compatibility. The initial chemistry is just one aspect of a relationship's potential. Understanding the natural cycle of the spark helps set realistic expectations for how relationships evolve over time. Stability in relationships provides a foundation of security, predictability, and reliability. This foundation is essential for couples to navigate life's challenges together. The core components of relationship stability include trust, which serves as a foundation, and commitment, which allows relationships to endure the test of time. Stability in relationships creates a structure for navigating life's challenges together. It provides safety during uncertainty, acting as an emotional support system that builds resilience. A stable relationship creates the ideal environment for both personal and interpersonal growth. Like a strong tree with deep roots, stability allows relationships to weather storms and grow stronger over time. Let's explore the chemistry of love from a neuroscientific perspective. Love and connection are rooted in the brain's complex network of neurotransmitters. Dopamine is often called the pleasure chemical. It creates feelings of excitement and reward when we see someone we're attracted to. Oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone or bonding hormone, creates feelings of attachment and trust. It's released during physical touch and intimate moments. Serotonin helps regulate mood and creates feelings of happiness and contentment. It contributes to the sense of stability and well-being in relationships. Different brain regions are activated during the various stages of love and attachment. During initial attraction, the brain's reward centers light up with high levels of dopamine, creating that exciting spark feeling. As a relationship develops, oxytocin and vasopressin increase, strengthening the bond between partners. Finally, in long-term relationships, balanced levels of serotonin and oxytocin create a sense of security and contentment. Understanding the chemistry of love helps us appreciate both the biological intensity of the initial spark and the neurochemical foundation of long-term attachment. The key to long-term relationship success is finding the right balance between novelty and stability. This balance is represented by finding the sweet spot between exciting new experiences and comfortable routines. Relationships need two essential components: novelty, which brings excitement and growth, and stability, which provides security and comfort. A successful relationship allows partners to move between their comfort zone of stability and their growth zone of novelty. Balance can be achieved through activities that combine novelty and stability, like trying new games together or finding joy in familiar routines. This balance is built on a strong foundation of trust and respect. Trust enables partners to take risks together, while respect creates the safety needed for stability. Throughout a relationship's development, this balance shifts and evolves, requiring ongoing attention and intentional effort from both partners. The experience of love evolves over time, transitioning from intense passion to deeper, more stable attachment. As relationships mature, our brain chemistry changes. The initial rush of dopamine gradually gives way to oxytocin and vasopressin, which foster long-term bonding and attachment. According to Levinger's theory, relationships typically evolve through 5 stages. Each stage represents a shift in how we experience love, from the initial spark of acquaintance through buildup, continuation, and potentially deterioration or renewal. In long-term relationships, hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin create strong bonds. This biological shift supports the transition from passionate love to a deeper, more stable connection. Sternberg's triangular theory shows how the balance of passion, intimacy, and commitment shifts over time. While passion may naturally decrease, intimacy and commitment often grow stronger, creating a more complete form of love. Mature love brings a deeper, more stable satisfaction. Our attachment styles influence how this evolution unfolds, affecting our capacity to transition from passionate to companionate love. When we understand and embrace this natural evolution, we can develop more fulfilling, resilient relationships that continue to deepen over time. Expressing appreciation and gratitude towards your partner can transform your relationship. Gratitude creates a positive cycle of affection and makes love feel more enduring. It reinforces emotional bonds and reduces tension in your relationship. Research shows that expressing gratitude releases dopamine and serotonin in the brain, activating reward pathways. It creates lasting neurological effects and helps form positive memory patterns. Practical exercises can help integrate gratitude into your relationship. Try sharing daily appreciations, keeping a gratitude journal, or planning dates focused on expressing what you value in each other. Gratitude is unique because it builds both the spark and stability in relationships. By recognizing and appreciating what we have, we simultaneously fuel passion and create a foundation of security. As Melody Beattie said, gratitude turns what we have into enough. By focusing on appreciation, couples can build both excitement and enduring connection. Financial security versus the spark, a modern dilemma in relationships. Recent surveys reveal a striking trend. 58% of singles now prioritize financial security over initial attraction when choosing a partner. Even more telling, 65% of people would consider ending a relationship due to financial incompatibility. Financial compatibility is emerging as a critical factor in relationship success. The chemistry compatibility matrix shows that relationships need both attraction and practical compatibility. Key aspects of financial compatibility include shared values around money, similar spending habits, aligned financial goals, and transparent discussions about finances. Financial stability provides a solid foundation for relationships. When couples align on money matters, they create a secure environment that supports their future together. This financial alignment reduces relationship stress, supports achievement of long-term goals, and builds trust and security between partners. Having open financial discussions is crucial for relationship success. Couples should discuss key topics like income and debt, saving and spending habits, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Finding the balance between romantic chemistry and financial security is the key challenge of modern relationships. The ideal relationship combines both the emotional spark that keeps the connection vibrant and the practical financial compatibility that ensures a stable future. The modern approach to relationships recognizes the importance of both chemistry and compatibility. Successful couples prioritize both elements, set financial foundations early, and grow together through challenges. In the modern dating landscape, both financial compatibility and emotional connection matter. Finding a partner who shares your financial values can be just as important as finding that initial spark.